Exercise is important for both physical and mental health. It helps strengthen the heart, improve mood, and reduce stress. Regular activity also releases endorphins in the brain, which can make you feel happier. To get the most benefits, it's important to choose an exercise that is suitable for your body and enjoyable.
Eating a balanced diet is key to physical health. It's important to include a variety of foods in your meals, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. A healthy diet can help maintain a healthy weight and provide energy throughout the day. It's also important to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Avoiding too much sugar and processed foods can improve overall well-being. Effective time management can help you stay organized and reduce stress. One way to manage time is to create a daily schedule that includes all your important tasks. Prioritizing tasks based on importance is also helpful. It's important to avoid wasting time on distractions like social media. Taking short breaks throughout the day can also help improve focus and productivity. Getting enough sleep is essential for both physical and mental well-being. Sleep helps your body recover and your mind stay alert. Lack of sleep can lead to poor concentration, mood swings, and even affect your immune system. To improve sleep quality, it's important to establish a consistent routine and avoid caffeine before bed. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when faced with difficult obstacles. One way to stay on track is to set small, achievable goals along the way. Surrounding yourself with supportive people can also help keep you motivated. It's important to remember that setbacks are normal, and perseverance is key to reaching your dreams. Taking care of the environment is crucial for the future of our planet. One simple way to help is by reducing, reusing, and recycling materials. Recycling helps cut down on waste and conserve natural resources. It's also important to conserve water and energy by using renewable resources whenever possible. Small actions, like planting trees and reducing plastic use, can make a big difference in protecting the planet. Reading regularly can help improve your vocabulary skills and expand your knowledge. It also enhances cognitive abilities, making it easier to focus and concentrate. Reading a variety of books can expose you to new ideas and different perspectives, which can be both exciting and educational. Additionally, reading before bed can help you relax and improve your sleep quality. Adopting healthy habits can have a positive impact on your health. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and staying hydrated are key to maintaining good wellness. Avoiding unhealthy habits like smoking or excessive drinking is also important for your long-term well-being. Taking care of your mental health by practicing mindfulness and relaxation is just as important as physical health. Technology has revolutionized the way we learn. With online learning platforms, students can now access resources from anywhere in the world. Educational apps and software have made studying more interactive and engaging. However, it's important to find a balance between screen time and physical activities, like reading books or outdoor play. Good communication is essential in both professional and personal relationships. It's important to actively listen when someone is speaking to show you are listening. Clear and respectful communication can help prevent conflicts and misunderstandings. Nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions, also play a big role in how we communicate. Saving money is important for financial security. One way to start is by setting a goal for how much you want to save each month. Tracking your spending and cutting back on unnecessary purchases can help you save more. Having an emergency fund will provide peace of mind in case of unexpected expenses. Traveling offers a chance to experience new places and learn about different cultures. Whether it's visiting famous landmarks or exploring local customs in a foreign country, travel can be an enriching experience. It's important to plan ahead, book accommodations, and make sure you have all necessary documents like passports or visas. Traveling can also help you develop a greater sense of independence. Teamwork is an essential skill in many workplaces. It requires good communication, cooperation, and the ability to work towards a common goal. A successful team depends on each member contributing their unique skills and strengths. Sometimes, conflicts arise, but resolving them through discussion and compromise can strengthen the team. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining good mental health. One way to reduce stress is through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Regular physical activity can also help lower stress levels and improve brain function. It's also important to find time for hobbies and activities that bring you joy. The water cycle is a continuous process that moves water through different stages of the earth. It starts with evaporation, where water is heated by the sun and rises into the atmosphere. As the water cools, it forms clouds that eventually fall to the ground as rain or snow. This process is essential for maintaining the planet's water supply. Social media has changed the way we communicate and share information. While it offers a platform for people to connect, it can also lead to rumors and misinformation. It's important to be mindful of how much time we spend on social media to avoid becoming addicted or overwhelmed. Social media can also be a powerful tool for spreading causes and raising awareness about important issues. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but it also has a positive effect on your mental well-being. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are chemicals that help improve your mood and reduce stress. Even a short walk or stretching can help clear your mind and make you feel more relaxed. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining good physical health. Drinking enough water helps regulate body temperature, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy. It's important to drink water throughout the day, especially during hot weather or after physical activity. Avoiding sugary drinks can also help reduce your risk of health problems. To help save the environment, it's important to reduce, reuse and recycle materials. Using less plastic and opting for eco-friendly products can greatly reduce waste. Planting trees and protecting natural habitats help to maintain biodiversity and combat climate change. Small changes in daily habits can make a big difference in protecting our planet. Positive thinking can have a huge impact on both your physical and mental health. Focusing on the positive aspects of life can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. It's important to surround yourself with positive people who encourage you to stay optimistic. When facing challenges, having a positive mindset can help you find creative solutions and remain resilient.